Welcome. Thanks so much for watching. And if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you like what you see, definitely subscribe. If you're returning, welcome back, and thank you so much for your continued support. All right, guys, so let me show you first these little cute turkeys, husband and wife. I thought they were so cute. You see the little turkey with her purse. All right, guys, so these came from Amazon.com. I will definitely leave the link in the description box in case you're looking for some Thanksgiving decorations. So I put these out a little early. And of course I've got my gold cups that came from Kohls. And these shimmery things around it, these little shimmery twigs, they all came from Dollar Tree. And of course I kept my little pumpkins because it's still fall and I like the colors, they match. They came from Dollar Tree as well. And I can't wait to show you November's. So go ahead and leave me a comment in the description box and let me know what you think. What you think about my new friends that I have on my tray this particular month. Or even the cute shimmery twigs that I got from Dollar Tree. But first, let me take a minute to let you know that you can also participate. I'll leave a link in the description box. All you have to do is subscribe to Ed Penny's Place. She is the host for this collab. And upload your video with this hashtag that you see here on the screen. I will see you guys on the next one. Appreciate you for watching.